Today I'm doing an unboxing of this Fanttik screwdriver. Got it on clearance at Sam's Club. Looks pretty interesting. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. Got it a while back, so I've been opening it till I could do an unboxing. It's a Fanttik S1 Capsule Deluxe. All the bits that come with it. Build your idea simple. Looks good. Looks compact. Let's get inside the box. Nice packaging. Fanttik logo. Deluxe. Opens up. Very cool. Nice clamshell. Comes with the USB to USB-C charge cable. Pretty sure that's what this is. Let's just, yep. USB-C, USB. Little user manual. Definitely small. Guess it's a small theme. Here's the drive unit. Very cool. Bits unit. All the bits here. That's cool. Let's see. Magnetic. Very cool. More bits storage here. Charge port. It's got a light. Definitely a lot of torque. Definitely a lot of torque. Very small. Push to release. Very cool. It's got a carrying case. Double-sided bits inside the bottom. All the bits you need for putting things together. Even has a security Torx. T20 and a T25. Getting those pesky security Torx boxes like cable boxes. Flathead. Hex head for IKEA furniture. Or other hex head pieces. I wonder if they have a square head. Let's take a look. Star bits. Or the square heads. So missing the square heads, just a bunch of hex heads. Very cool. Definitely go into my toolbox. There you go. locked for storage. Pretty portable. Actually, ideal place is glove box for this if you really want it. But just this alone makes it really compact. And I guess the bits holder, pretty compact if you have both of them together. Press area, very cool. All right, another tool to add to my toolkit. Thank you.